Good afternoon, dear students. In today's online class, what we have learned? We have revised the grammar part, which you are going to get for your first PT. Okay. So once again, this is a summarized video of today's online class. Okay. So what we learned? We learned definite article. So which are the article? A and the. So these are the articles. So there are two types of articles. One is definite and second one is indefinite. Definite article is the and indefinite articles are a and an. So the is used when there is only something or someone of a kind, like particularly if we want to use. So we have already seen the paragraph. I have read it for you. Once again, you have to read it. And next, what we learned? We learned degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. One is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, third one is superlative degree. So positive degree means it is a simple sentence. Second one, comparative degree means we are going to compare two objects. We are going to compare between two objects. Superlative means we are going to compare more than 2 or 3 and we are going to give a decision comparing those objects. Okay. So here you can see the example. Abdul is a tall boy. Abdul's teacher is taller than Abdul. And third one, the headmaster is the tallest of the 3. Okay. So there are some adjectives. Do not follow these rules. Which are those? These: bad, worse, worst, much more, most, good, better, best, little, less, least. Okay. And next, what we saw? We saw the exercise. After that, using words. Using words only there are 2 are there. With ace means without any problem. And second one, fundamental rights means basic rights or basic freedom. And here we learnt about similes: as old as the mountain, as hard as a rock, as brave as a lion, as slow as a snail, as quiet as a mouse. And in the Seath exercise, what we learnt? We learnt about collective nouns. So here a class of students, a pack of wolves, a fleet of cars, an army of ants, a band of musicians. So these things we learned from first lesson. And in second lesson, what we are having? Reflexive pronoun. So reflexive pronoun is used when object and subject and objects are same. Okay, so we have seen the exercise also. Maria saw herself in the mirror. The kitten tried to bite me but bit itself by mistake. So here, see, the kitten is subject, itself is object. I taught myself to play guitar. I is a subject and myself is object. The boys helped themselves to the samosas. Next one, there are plenty of cakes here. Boys help themselves. My father cut himself when he was shaving. Okay, so here using words are there. These are called as sound words. Okay, so these words imitate or mimic the sound they describe. Okay, and last one, collocation with verbs and adverbs. So some words combine together naturally and form a common expression. So first example, what they have given: I was so scared that I could barely see what was going on. So like that only we have exercise in that 6 sentences are there. Let's see. First one, Henry walked energetically to catch the train. She laughed heartily at the joke. She sang sweetly at the concert. Our soldiers fought bravely at the border. The baby slept soundly through all the noise. Please donate generously to charity. So these are the few grammar points we have discussed in our today's class. So just read once again, listen to the video carefully and understand. Thank you, students.